Hi everyone, this is Abhinav from PhoneBunch and today we are unboxing the ZoloWin. It's a Windows 8.1 based tablet. So you get a full-fledged PC in tablet form. Very minimalistic box. Moving to the back, you have some specifications listed. So it's powered by the AMD Temash A4 APU. Clocked at 1 GHz, it's a dual-core CPU. Then you have a 10.1-inch display, 1366 by 768 pixels. A 2 megapixel rear camera, 1 megapixel front camera, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB storage. You have a 3550 mAh battery and Windows 8.1 Pro is available on the device with Office and Outlook pre-installed. So Office is again a great addition. So now let's go ahead and we'll open up the box. Let me cut open the seal first. There we go, the seal's cut. Let me just remove that. So we have the AMD Radeon 8180 GPU that's powering the graphics on the device. 32 GB of internal storage, as I said, which can be expanded with the micro SD card slot. So now we have the box open. Let's see what all we get. First off is your wall charger. It doesn't use any other cables. It's a proprietary charger. So you would have to use this particular charger to charge your tablet. Then you have your product key information right there, which you would need to use to register the device and activate it. I'll keep that aside. And finally, we have the tablet. So folks, this is the ZoloWin Windows 8.1 tablet. I'll keep that aside. Finally, we have some documentation and a CD. Well, that's everything you get inside the box. So folks, here is the ZoloWin. In the front, you can see the 10.1-inch display. You also have the Windows button, which should be capacitive, and it supports 10 points of touch. So it's a 10-point multi-touch display. Moving to the back, you can see you have sort of a brushed aluminum finish, but it's plastic and seems so as well. You can see AMD A4 logo, Windows 8 and dual speakers on both the sides. At the top, you have the 2 megapixel rear camera, full HD capable, Zolo branding as well. Now at the top here, you have your microphone. And you also have the volume rocker, which looks a bit cheap, micro SD card slot, micro HDMI port. You have your 3.5mm audio jack next. Then you have your charger port and the micro USB port. So those are all the connectivity options that are available to you. The back feels good to hold in the hand. It's textured, so it won't slip, but it does feel a bit cheap. Now if you move to the top, you have your power lock and unlock button, which again doesn't feel that sturdy. There's nothing on the left of the device and the bottom is barren as well. Overall, the build does seem sturdy enough. I haven't noticed any flex till now. So now let's get to the front again. As I was saying, you have a 10.1-inch display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. 10-point multi-touch. Let's power it on. At the top, you have a 1 megapixel front-facing camera. Now there is some issue with the power key. It doesn't want to boot at the very first go. You have to try several times. So the tablet has begun powering on. This tablet features Windows 8.1 Pro. So that means you would be able to run any applications that you run on a normal PC. I'll come back after setting it up. So folks, now we are at the home screen. As you see, Windows 8.1 Metro interface or the new style Windows interface. All your apps are available here. And you can also see Office has come pre-installed right there. Now let's jump into the desktop. So you can see here I have the start button at the bottom from where you can jump to the start screen and back again. In display settings, you have the AMD Catalyst Manager. That's your driver that has come pre-installed. It's a graphics driver for the 8180G graphics unit. You can see that you have about 11.6 GBs available to you right out of the box. You can expand that with a micro SD card. Now let's get into system properties. You can see from right here, it's powered by the AMD A4 1200 chipset. So you have 1 GHz dual core processor, 2 GB of RAM, out of which 1.44 GB is available to the system. The tablet is performing very well. We haven't noticed any lag in the interface. You can jump into settings as well. So you have several settings available there. And here too you can see there is no lag in the Metro interface. It performs quite well. And the capacitive Windows button works as well. You can jump right out of the desktop, back to the start screen, and there is no lag whatsoever. The viewing angles of the display are not the best, but the touch response is quite excellent. Well folks, that was the unboxing of the ZoloBin. We'll be back with more. It has been priced at about Rs 19,990, but you have an exchange offer available on Flipkart. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We'll be back with more. Till then, you can watch our unboxing of the Zolo Q1200, Nokia Lumia 630 review, as well as the full review of the Micromax Unite 2. Thanks for watching and have a great day.